I've been exploring the SimplePractice for Clinicians app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. SimplePractice for Clinicians is a mobile companion to SimplePractice's cloud-based practice management platform, aimed at therapists and other healthcare providers who need to manage their practices on the go. It's designed for clinicians who already use SimplePractice on the web and want a convenient way to handle scheduling, notes, billing, and client communication from an iPhone or iPad rather than being tied to a computer. At its core, the app focuses on everyday practice tasks like managing your calendar, accessing client information, and keeping up with documentation. You can view and manage appointments directly from your phone with an interface that lets you see past sessions, upcoming bookings, and a client's appointment history in one place, which is helpful for planning your day between sessions or while commuting. The calendar includes filters and layout options, and group practices can see other clinicians' availability, which makes coordinating schedules easier in a busy office. Client profiles are more than basic contact details. You can quickly review intake forms, appointment details, outstanding balances, and uploaded documents so that you have a snapshot of the client's status before you start a session. However, it's not without flaws. Some users mention that moving between menus and screens can feel clunky or confusing, especially when you are still learning where everything lives in the app. Others point to delays in getting support, saying that responses can sometimes take a day or two, which can be frustrating when you are in the middle of setting up a new practice or troubleshooting a problem that affects your workflow. There are also suggestions for refinements, such as better internal communication tools within a group practice, more flexible calendar privacy options, and clearer ways to navigate specific features, all of which indicate that while the app is powerful, there is room for usability improvements. Overall, SimplePractice for Clinicians is a solid choice if you already use SimplePractice or are considering it and want a mobile experience that keeps your schedule, documentation, and billing tightly connected. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.